Dr. Arun, a principal of KV number 1, alumni. I didn't use the word distinguished. All alumni are distinguished. Anybody who has passed through the school is distinguished, and all are equal. Once you, and that's the strength of a Kendriya Vidyalaya. When you enter the premises, you leave your caste, creed, social status outside the gate. We all enter as one, we leave as one, and we remain as one. So that's what I learned in my years studying in the KV. You know, giving prizes to the kids scoring 90% marks was very humbling. I would get these marks in 2 years cumulative. But however, you know, it's a good feeling to see the kids are scoring so high these days. But it's a wonderful feeling to be here today. The very school where I did my 10th, I have my class fellows, some of them sitting here with me, and seeing them all grow in life is a wonderful feeling. How time flies. Like I was telling yesterday to someone, minutes and hours take longer to pass, but years fly away. Like yesterday, we were young kids in the school, and today we find with white beard, someone trying to color, somebody not coloring. You know. But that youthful spirit still remains in us. That binds us together, and that has all got us here today together. We all traveled from various places to come here to see, meet young kids, to meet alumni, and that's the spirit which this school gave me. The feeling of belonging, the feeling of one-manship. I have my lovely friends here. My teachers all have been named. One teacher once told me, when I did reasonably poorly, which I did very regularly, that don't give up. You have it in you. And guess that worked. So, you know, here I am today, chief guest in my own school. So to the teachers who taught me, I touch their feet with love and respect. The teachers who are there right now, if I can give you a few pieces of advice, when you enter the school, 1,400 pair of eyes look at you. Every kid, you are the role model. There are days when things are not right at home. You fought with husband, wife, in-laws, whatever. You enter the school, you leave it behind. Because this small child is looking at you every day as a hero. It's so wonderful to be nurturing the future of India with your own bare hands. So to be a teacher, I think, is the most wonderful profession which anybody can be doing in their lives. And also be kind to weak students. You know, they deserve more love and affection than the ones who are brighter. To the young kids sitting behind, when you come to school and you study, don't study for marks, you will fail. Study to learn. Be inquisitive. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to fail in life. More inquisitive you are, more imaginative you are, better you are. With AI, technology, what Mr. Tully mentioned, all one side, the basic values remain the same. To be a good human being, to be truthful, to be honest, to be respectful to your parents, to your teachers, your elder siblings, to be loyal to your friends. The basic human soul remains intact. Everything else can change around it. If your basic soul is correct, life will fall in place. There will be good days, there will be bad days. None of us sitting in front rows can say that our life has been a bed of roses. We have all had good days and bad days. It's how you handle bad days will define you in life. Good days, everybody is happy. Nobody cares. It's the bad days which make a person what is going to be in future. So I wish all of you sitting behind, best of luck, a great future ahead of you. And it's been an absolute honor and privilege to be here. To the alumni, I think we should contribute more. You know, it can't be a one-off event. I was so happy to hear Mr. Tully encouraging us. I don't know whether a forum can be created by the principal or the KV Center itself, where all of us who have learned and gone in life from here come back and give something back to the institution where we owe us a lot in our lives. You know, India is at cusp of great things in future, and that future is held in our schools, including this school. If we all do our things right, our next generation is going to be far more affluent, happier, better than what we were. Like we were better than our parental generations. So I'm pretty sure that we are all going to rise and shine and make our country proud. And to lastly, I must thank the principal once again. Dr. Arun, wonderful to have reached out to me and literally forced me at gunpoint to come here. And thank you very much to the whole lot of you. Unfortunately, I'm in a hurry, I have to leave now. But I wish each one of you all the happiness and success in life. Jai Hind.